We all know P B Shelley, the great English romantic poet, wrote many beautiful poems and also an elegy on the death of John Keats' Adonis. But my point of focus here is the death of Shelley by drowning while he was in Italy and what happened to his body thereafter. This is a very interesting story to listen to, though this is not a story in full. He was staying in Italy with his wife Mary Shelley, and he had a boat journey along with his two friends. And the boat's name was Don Juan. Of course, we know the connection with Byron's work Don Juan. And the boat capsized and the three people got drowned, Shelley and his two friends. The bodies were cast ashore only after 10 days. And his thick friends, Lord Byron, Leigh Hunt, and Captain Joseph Trelawney, these were the three people who were present for the funeral or to receive the body. But according to the prevailing rules in Italy, drowned bodies were not supposed to be buried with Christian rites. They were to be cremated. So arrangements were made for the cremation of the body, and the body was taken in a makeshift crematorium arranged by Leigh Hunt. The whole body was cremated, but some parts of it did not burn completely. Say, for example, the skull, the jaw, and a few bones remained. But one part of his body was not burning at all. That part was his heart. And seeing this, Joseph Trelawney, captain, he jumped to the fire and he plucked the heart out, it is said. Shelley's heart was plucked out and he got his hands burned in the process, in that attempt. And this heart plucked out from the burning body of Shelley was handed over to Leigh Hunt. When Mary came to know about this, she requested Leigh Hunt to hand over her husband's heart, which he did not oblige at first. But later, when Byron intervened and requested on behalf of Mary, Leigh Hunt agreed, and it was handed over to Mary. But the more interesting thing is that she took Shelley's heart, and later Percy Florence Shelley, Shelley's son, and his wife Jane, when they arrived after the death of Mary Shelley at the residence where she lived, when they opened the table drawer, they could find something wrapped in the pages of one of his last works, Adonis, an elegy written on the death of John Keats. And when they unwrapped it, they found that she was preserving the heart in the table drawer. When Florence Shelley passed away, the body was buried. Shelley's heart was also buried along with the son's body. Thank you so much.